Good morning to all the viewers of the Stuart Live News. I am Saisha Mapatra, and today we have here with us Bibash Mishra, who has scored an astounding 97.6% in the ICSE examinations. Hello.
Hello everyone. Thanks for the introduction.
Ash Mishra, which subject felt like a natural strength and in which subject did you find a lot of difficulty?
My natural strength were in the science subjects and in mathematics. They are also my favorite subjects, and the language subjects and SST were a difficult zone for me. I would like to thank my school, my teachers, who always were a constant support for me, and my parents, and who were always beside me when I was preparing for the examinations. And thank you to them.
Good morning to all the viewers. This is Jayaditya Padhi reporting live from Stewart Media team, and today I have me with Sneha Patnaik, who is the top rank holder of our school with a brilliant 97.6 percentage. Hello.
Hello. Thank you for such a great
Any
introduction.
specific resources that you found particularly helpful?
Source were my teachers, my mentors, and obviously my textbooks. I believed in getting thorough with my textbooks. That was it. Lastly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my teachers since the first grade till now, and the God Almighty, my parents, my brother, and all my friends who have been my constant support throughout the journey. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mehak Agarwal and I am here with Guru Bhakti Sebarat, the second topper of our school with a 97.8 percentile. So, what was your approach to subjects like maths and science, through more practice or focusing on the concept?
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who have helped me in this journey. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, the God Almighty itself, who have helped me, who have supported me, who are there by my side to achieve such good ranks in ICSE examinations. And answering to that question, it's better to balance everything. Concept is the key, whereas the problem solutions, the practicing part, is the main process towards the success. So students need to balance both of them, learning concepts and practicing both of them at the same time. What suggestions would you like to give to the juniors? So with this, I would like to give a word of suggestions to all my friends, to all the Stewartonians who are going to bring glory to the school. My one suggestion that I would like to give is that don't give up. Don't feel distracted, and don't be immersed in the outside world. You have a world of study of your own, and in this world of distractions, where your prime distraction is in your own hand of 16-inch, you need to avoid that. I was not able to give up on phone until ICSE last paper as well. So I am just feeling guilty about that part. But you need to learn to reduce your screen time and get engaged in the nature. Nature is beautiful itself. Stewart School was a school of glory, was a school that was a trademark for Cuttack city and the whole Odisha. Not only Subhash Chandra Bose, our Utkarmani Gopabandhu Das, and rest of the freedom fighters who not only brought freedom to our whole nation, but also sacrificed their life for a better living, studied from here. Their foundations were from this school. So you are that blood. You will bring glory to this school. You will change the nation. So don't just get harassed by the marks. Don't give up. Stay strong, stay bold. Thank you. Thank you for your flattering suggestion to the juniors and your mates as well. This is Jayaditya Padhi signing off from Stewart Live News with camera person Saisru Biswal.
Good morning to all the viewers. I am Mehak Agarwal and I am here today with Tanisha Nayak, the topper of our school, who has made us all proud by getting a 98.4 percentile in the ICSE examination. So, In today's world where everything is a competition, what strategies did you use to maintain a high percentile?
First of all, good morning, everyone, and thank you for the flattering introduction. I have always been a procrastinator, so timetables have never really worked for me. I have tried, I've made timetables, but 2 days in, I leave it. So I changed my strategy in the midst of class 9, and I realized that if I just journal what I have done throughout the day at the end of the day, it will be more beneficial for me, and I can judge my productivity and efficiency in that way.
Do you ever feel completely burnt out, or were you able to maintain a steady emotional balance throughout your preparation?
Now, of course, to maintain a steady emotional balance is not that easy because through the 2 years, like 9th and 10th, both you have to put in the hard work. But when I was feeling burnt out, I switched to my comfort actions, that is watching Shinchan on the TV or listening to music. Those were really helpful.
From your recent experience, could you tell us a few words of inspiration for the upcoming Stuartonians?
Okay, thank you for asking me for inspiration. But the biggest advice I can give is do what works for you. It is not that something which works for someone else, which works for a separate topper, will work for you, okay? So you have to find your groove, you have to find what you are good at, and you have to excel at it. And I think that's it.
Thank you.